we're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time I haven't updated my video. So today I'm going to make video again, and we're gonna work remotely today, not from my home, but we're going to work somewhere else that will give me some new insights, and later you can learn something new and more valuable lessons in this video. Let's get started. So anyway, this is my first son, Masayoshi, and this is my second kid, my daughter, and she's cute anyway. We're gonna work remotely. Let's go! Okay, as you can see, the weather today is so sunny, and you don't have any excuses not to start your own software as a service or online business. Come on, let's go build that online business. Use your AI agents, and then you can make money from anywhere. So trust me, it works. Okay, so I have arrived to the place that I usually work remotely. I know this is not fancy cafe like Starbucks. Well, here I am sitting on the table, and as you can see, there are a lot of food stalls, from traditional foods, Asian foods, Indian foods, and then Western foods, a lot of foods. So you just need to make order, and then you can focus into your important work and make money online. So I've been monitoring my AI API usage, and I just want you to know that whenever you work remotely, you must use your own internet connection, because if there are free Wi-Fi, I don't think it's secure enough, so you need to use your own data. So this is my latest software as service. So I built like AI video creation tools, and you can see here, for example, here you just need to set the video title, what video you want to make, and then what language you want to focus on. But this time I'm focusing on Japanese language because I want to target to Japanese market. So you can make money from a video like this, and you just need to upload into your own YouTube channel, and then you can monetize it, right? So after all these scenes are ready, you just need to hit this generate video, and it will rendering the video for you, and I'm going to give you the result in the moment. Okay, the video is finished, and if you want to see, we can play here. But there is a slight problem. If you see here, it doesn't appear actual Japanese language, but if you hear carefully, voice is already in Japanese language. Okay, so I'm going to tell my Claude here. I try to generate blah 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 and let the Claude to work it for me. So this is how you can utilize AI to build your own software as a service and then make money from it. So you can use AI as long you understand the fundamental, because later on you need to detect either AI doing something right or something wrong that will cost your revenue, cost your reputation, and anything else. Anyway, after you finish your video here, you can use ChatGPT because it gives you very good at creativity, and you just need to translate the language from English to Japanese or Chinese or Indonesia, anything. So you can even use AI to write a video YouTube description like this, very good. And you just need to copy, and then you can paste over here, just like this. or you can do like A/B testing. You see here. So the video has been uploaded. I just need to create new other video with my AI tools. So here's the UI. It's very simple actually. This time I want to make video about how online business works in Japanese language. And then I can choose the genre here, explainer. And then this is for TikTok and this is for YouTube. And you can choose the script like this, and then you can choose the voiceover like this, or you can choose either female or male.
This is how I will tell your story.
Yeah, this is nice, and it seems image quality, and you can choose the reference like this. You can see. Okay, let me review. Maybe we can try this one. Okay, and then you just need to generate script, and we're gonna wait for a couple minutes. Okay, so the storyboard has been finished, but since aren't generated yet, so we need to review one by one. Once we are confirmed, we just need to you can either generate one image like this, or you can just generate all images. So it will be generated all together like this, and we just need to wait a couple minutes based on 28 scenes available over here. Okay, so look, it's been generated some images, 7 of 28. Wow, look at this consistency, is very nice actually. Wow. Yeah, so this is how you can maximize AI, getting smarter, getting faster, better, and cheaper like this. You just need to be consistent of doing things that you believe it can give you better life or bigger income. Just keep consistent, okay? Okay guys, so my message for you, this is actually a pretty good advice that I'm going to tell to my younger self. So get started now. You can use AI. Don't be afraid to fail, because the more you fail, the more you learn, and it's not gonna waste anymore. You know, the money you spend on AI, the money you spend on online courses, it will give you such a great experience, so you can be much better in the future. So if you have any questions regarding about how do we build this software as a service, or do you need personal career advice, you just need to comment on the video YouTube below, and I'm going to answer your questions. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye, ciao ciao.